Hey everybody, thought I'd just share with you what it's like to get a new coin from 7K Metals. So let me go ahead and open this up, see what we get. All right. Wrap that good. Alrighty. So it looks like I got a brand new Silver Eagle coin from 7K Metals, and it's a particular one for the state of Virginia. So now I have the Virginia MS-70 Silver Eagle coin. Pretty cool. And they also give you a little card here that explains what it is. So it's a 2022 issue. United States is the country. The mint is U.S. Mint. Face value $1. It's a troy ounce of silver. 9.9999 metal purity, which is silver. Metal composition, fine silver. Features U.S. State Series and the mintage 7,777. So I'm one of those lucky few that get to own this coin. So really cool. All right, thanks.